Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Genworth Financial easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Genworth Financial website. Locate the register or sign up button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information as requested. Input your first name, last name, and email address. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Provide any additional information, such as your phone number and date of birth. Review the privacy policy and terms of service if prompted. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit or Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your information. Open the confirmation email from Genworth Financial. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Return to the Genworth Financial website once your account is verified. Log in using your email address and newly created password. You are now registered and can access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.